How to make money as a content creator on Opera News. Step 1. Create your own content account. Go to up.opera.com and sign up with your Facebook or Gmail account. Set a Media name, which is going to be your brand name, not your legal name. And also, you are going to pick a content category. Step 2. Complete your profile and payment setup. You are going to add a profile picture and a short bio, nothing less than 10 to 150 words. You enter your legal first and last name, a Gmail address, and phone number. Then add your OPay account number. This is the only method Opera uses to pay Nigeria creators. So this step is mandatory. Step 3. Wait for account review. Your account goes into a review period, typically completed within 24 hours. Once verified, you are clearing to publish articles that will actually earn money. Before this, you can't post. Step 4. Publish original high quality content. Write articles minimum like 150 word, no upper limit, using your existing standard of pulling facts only from official source. This matter directly for pay. Fully original content earn close to the full point multiplier, while paraphrased or copy content earns a fraction of that. Avoid clickbait titles and all caps headlines. Both get flags or rejected by Opera's review system. Step 5. Track performance and withdrawal earnings. Monitor clicks, reading time, and engagement under the Content Library tab. Monthly income is roughly clicks, reading time points, account quality point, originality point, also any engagement bonuses for posts with lots of shares and comment. Payment go to your OPay wallet, usually released around the 15th of each month. Once you hit the minimum withdrawal threshold. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to make money on Opera News as a content creator.